Hello everyone and welcome to my home. In today's video, I thought I would share with you guys my apartment tour here in Da Nang, Vietnam. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm an American living here in Vietnam and I share my lifestyle and day in the life kind of vlogs here in Vietnam. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Anyway, let's go right into this apartment tour. The first thing that you see when you walk in is this huge space, which is something that's not easy to find here in Vietnam, guys. Trust me, we looked when we were looking for apartments, and the moment that we opened the door, we saw how spacious it was. We knew that was the apartment for us. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And when you walk in, I'll start over here. The first thing that you see when you close the door, this is the main door. I usually leave my workout stuff here. I take boxing classes, so these are my boxing gloves. We have umbrellas, our mask, and some gloves because it was a little bit cold. Like, this is my workstation, and I'm very happy that there's like an actual living space here, but there's also a little like foyer area, and this is actually where I work. If you guys don't know, I teach English online, so I usually work from home. This is where my workstation is, and what I did is I got this map, the U.S. map, which is very colorful, and this is my desk. I usually just pull this out just a little bit like up to here, and then I put a chair behind it, and this is my workstation. So yeah, so that's the main thing. Right over here we have the bathroom. So it's just a 1 bath, just simple, very easy. Shower, toilet, and we have our towels in the back. So very straight to the point bathroom. And this is like a nice big wall, which we have a really big air conditioner, which I'm really very happy about, because this actually helps cool the whole room. And we also have another air conditioner in the main bedroom, which I love. So my Christmas tree is here because we are in December, that's why it's here. But usually if I don't have the tree here, you'll see how big we have this space. And this is the furniture that comes with the apartment. If you guys don't know, when you rent an apartment in Vietnam, it comes fully furnished most of the time. It includes cleaning twice a week or sometimes once a week, depending on what company you have or what apartment building. And it also includes the water that you use for day to day, not the drinking water, just the regular water. So yeah, on this space, you'll see that there's a nice little couch. It's not the most comfortable couch, but hey, it does the job. And we have a TV right here and a nice little table just to put our stuff, like a little bit of storage, and a fan. And this apartment does have a nice balcony. I'm gonna show you guys outside. It's so funny because it's been cold all week for the past like I don't know how many months, and it's been raining every day, but somehow today it's sunny, it's beautiful. So I thought it would be a great idea to film anyway. But here we have a nice little balcony. I didn't have the time to actually furnish this. This is one of the things I wanted to do. I wanted to put some chairs to sit outside and maybe like a little table to hang out and eat some food for dinner. But I never got to it. But yeah, it's a nice little balcony. And back into the apartment, you guys will see the kitchen and the dining room. And this is not usual to get a 6-seater dining room table. So this is really cool that we got this. We actually hosted Thanksgiving twice here with our friends, so it's been very useful. So yeah, I just have the tables with the 6 chairs. And this is the kitchen. Very nice. It's actually very big for Vietnam. You don't usually get like an L-shaped kitchen, and it comes with a washer. This is just a washer. You dry your clothes usually outside, or what we do is we have a laundry service that we just get our laundry, we drop our laundry and they wash and fold it and return it to you. So this is very cool. So anyway, here we have a nice little kitchen. As you guys can see, there's no oven because that's very common in Vietnam to not have an oven. So what we did is we purchased this toaster oven, which is really good. We've done a lot of cooking there, baking. It's been actually very useful. I have all of my food and things that I use in the kitchen here. We have some pots and pans that actually come with the apartment, so I didn't even have to purchase that. That was really cool. We have a full-size fridge. This is not something that's common in Vietnam for you to get a full-size fridge. So I'm very grateful that we got this here. Our first apartment, the fridge was about this high, and it was not not good. And I actually got an aloe vera plant because it's really good to have it just in case during the summertime if you get sunburn. So I got that. And again, very nice windows here. You can see how it makes the space very bright, and I really am happy that they did this. You guys will see on this side as well. Very nice. Let's go into the bedroom. And guys, look how big this bedroom is. This is unheard of in Vietnam. Seriously unheard of. And we're really gonna miss this place. I don't know if I told you guys, but the reason why we are actually moving is because the apartment building here, they need to renovate. During the typhoon season that we had, maybe like a month ago, we had so many typhoons back to back to back, and there was a lot of water damage. I even showed you guys in one of my vlogs about the mold situation, which, yeah, we did have to deal with that in this apartment as well. But they're going to renovate, so they need everybody out of the apartment, which is kind of sad, but I'm happy that they're actually going to fix this issue, which is great. But anyway, to go back to the room, it is very spacious, as you guys can see, and it has like a different workspace, which I really like that, because Ralph and I, my husband Ralph and I, we both work online, and this is something that we really needed. We needed two different working places that's not in the bedroom. And what I mean by that is that our first apartment, Ralph used to teach on the bed, like he had to put like our luggage on the bed, and then he would teach from there, and I was in the dining room teaching from there. So it just made it like we couldn't use the actual apartment space, meaning that we couldn't use the bedroom when somebody is working, we couldn't use the dining room if somebody is working. So we liked that we had designated workspaces, so like an office. So I'll show you guys a little view of his workspace. We have a nice little window here, and he also has a map that he uses for his background. He bought a desk and a chair, so he actually has an official office space. And on this side, I just have a plant that I just got maybe like a month ago. And over there, we don't have storage. This is something that I wanted to do. I do think they're missing a little bit in this apartment. So one thing I wanted to do is to add storage on this side and make it into like a closet. But this is where we just keep our luggage and my Christmas tree box over there. So yeah, another view of this room because it's so spacious. This is actually a king bed. I think it's a king size bed. We just went to look at other apartments and we saw the queen size, and this is a nice king size bed. It's so comfortable. That's why I'm definitely going to miss this apartment. And it has beautiful windows. This is nice curved window that gives you beautiful light into the room. So it makes it very spacious and airy, but it's also missing storage. So one thing that you'll see here, that's where we just put our shoes on this side. But it would be nice to have a dresser right over here, but we don't have it right now, but it's fine. So one thing that I did for decor, we purchased these paintings or Canva art. We went to the store in the city and we kind of ordered a couple of designs. You're actually supposed to hang it up, but we never got to it. And then we figured this is not bad, but so many times the paintings would fall on our heads because when we watch TV, you're just sitting here and you're not tall enough to hit, like your head would actually be right here. So you're always hitting this side. So it happened to me so many times that I'm sitting here, we're watching a movie, and then I will hit my head back and yeah, the painting would fall. But to tell you the truth, we just never got to it. We never got to actually hang it up, and then ended up just being part of the design. And then I got two fake orchids on the side, yellow, because I think they match with this one over here. And then this is our closet. It's not that much. It's okay for us, but I do wish that we had another space right on this side to kind of accommodate the luggage, because I don't like it just hanging there. So that would be nice. Yeah, and then I have a dresser here with the mirror. No, I have a nice little plant that I leave here. And these are like pictures from me and my friends. This is my friend U.K. who's gone now. I miss you. And some of my Vietnamese friends, which have been the most amazing people. Love you guys so much. I love keeping that here or anywhere in the house so that I have memories of the time that we spent together, which is very cool. So I'm gonna give you guys one last overview of the apartment so you have an idea of what it looks like just from one standpoint.
Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination, can't you see? I can is breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my apartment here in Da Nang, Vietnam. I will be making another video because we are moving into another apartment. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more. Also, I do have a playlist of the apartment tours that I've done in Da Nang, Vietnam. So I will link in the description box for you guys if you guys want to see more like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Goodbye!